The road to a seamlessly connected driving experience begins with Google built-in compatibility. This includes Google apps and services that can be updated in your equipped vehicle, like Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play, all in your center display. Upon setting up your vehicle's infotainment system, you'll be asked to accept Google as your default operating system, which enables you to access features like Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play. Google built-in capabilities require a Cadillac Connected Services plan. To purchase a plan, just push the blue OnStar button when parked to speak to an advisor, or sign into your account on Cadillac.com to check out available plans. With a Cadillac Connected Services plan, you'll get access to real-time data, downloadable apps, regular updates, and a lot more. If this is your first time using a vehicle with Google built in, you'll be prompted to log into Google by entering your email and password through the setup wizard on the center display. And although signing into Google is not required, doing so will give you a more personalized experience. Don't have a Google account? You can create one on your infotainment screen when parked, or visit accounts.google.com on your phone or computer. Your Cadillac Connected Services plan will give you an enhanced experience of Google Maps. You can easily get directions for your usual routes like your home, work, or the recent places you visited. Or search for a different destination. Navigate with real-time traffic information. See points of interest in the area like coffee shops and gas stations, EV charging stations, and more. And see compatible roads where you can engage Super Cruise driver assistance technology if equipped. Get hands-free help in the car from Google Assistant. Say, "Hey Google," press the push-to-talk button on the steering wheel, or tap the Google Assistant icon on the center display to get started. "Hey Google, navigate home." "Hey Google, add pine nuts to my shopping list." "Hey Google, call Kristen." "Hey Google, play music." "Hey Google, set the temperature to 70 degrees." Want to check out other apps you can use for your vehicle? When parked, check out Play Store on your center display to see what apps are available. Say you want to install YouTube Music. Select it, review the app details, then tap Install. Once installed, the YouTube Music app will appear on your center display. With Google built in, you can access a whole world of Google apps and services inside your vehicle while staying focused on the road ahead.